back to my channel. I am very excited for this video, and I feel like I have just been getting a few planner covers, but I don't know, I just wanted to start out the year fresh. So this unboxing, it's unusual because I usually don't go for these kinds of planners, but hear me out. All right, so yes, I did go on Amazon and got a traveler's notebook. I know this is so weird for me because I had a traveler's notebook in the past, but I feel like it was not a standard size, or I just got the booklets for the inside. I don't know, but I really I saw this and loved it, and I purchased it. All right, so let's just jump right in. My main intention for this planner is to use the cover for my Hobonichi size sterling ink, which is called the N2. I have the unboxing if you want to see it. I'm gonna put an iCard up here or on the description. But this is what I want to do. I want to put my sterling ink in here. I might use one of these booklets, I don't know, but that's my main intention. Lately, I've been watching a lot of December dailies, and people are they have used the standard traveler's notebook, and I absolutely love it. So I'm thinking about doing December daily in the booklets and then just using my N2 in here. Whatever plan I'm gonna have, I'll let you know. But in the whole kit, which was such a great deal, it says this is leather. It does feel really nice and soft. It is black. It has the elastic, and it comes with 3 booklets inside. This one has a little graph. This one is lined, and this one is blank, which is great. The whole kit also comes with, let me see what this is, because honestly I don't know if it's just one pocket or I don't know. Okay, so I really like this. Because even if I put my N2, I can still put these and add some pictures. It also comes with this. And okay, so these are pockets to add some extra stickers if you have extra stickers. It comes with some elastics. It comes with this, which I don't even know what this is. I don't even know if it's broken. I have no idea. I think this is the charm. Let's get it out. Yo, I am doing laundry and it is filming day, so I'm so sorry if it's, all right, so I don't know if it's broken. Oh gosh, let me try to get this thing to focus. There you go. So I don't know, but oops, everything is just everything came apart. I think my sister can fix this for me though. So this is really cute. Yeah, this is the charm to put in the planner, and I believe this is the pen loop, which I don't know how to put it, but it doesn't look like it would be hard to do, just something to kind of add, let's say here, and then put your pen loop. Oh man, I think my pen is too fat, but you get the point. To put it there. I'm sorry I was out of focus, but yeah, like I was saying, it's a pen loop to just add it here, put it here. But I think it has to be a thin pen, because this one is, oh, it actually fits. Okay, so let's see again. It's like that, and then like this. Y'all, I love this. I'm so excited to put everything together. I am kind of sad about this. I don't know if it's broken, but I think it's supposed to come here. But I don't know about this thing being here, if this is gonna come here. I don't know, or maybe this is for the protection on the side. and this comes here. I am so new at this, so tell me in the comment section what you think. Maybe the elastic can come off and I can just loop this thing. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna probably look it up in a couple of videos and see what's up. But I am so excited. I'm so excited that all of this comes for the price. Very excited to use my N2 in here, but again, I do have a plan to do my December daily and use these booklets for my December daily, because I think that would be so much fun, but I have a lot of brainstorming to do. All right, so I'm gonna be done right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.